Ability and inability. I use can to express ability. Let's read this example. I can speak English. I can practice sport. I use can't to express inability. Let's read this example. I can't speak Spanish. I can't sing in English. Let's learn more, kids. Try to order the words to make coherent sentences. Faster. Can't. Run. I can. He. Hide and seek. Play. I cannot run faster. He can play hide and seek. To talk about ability, I use can plus the verb in the infinitive. To talk about inability, I use can't plus the verb in the infinitive.